can you open this? Oh my god. Hey, come back! Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Glossybox Beauty Advent Calendar. It is this beautiful box here with the marble design, and the price for this one is 99 euros for non-subscribers and 85 euros for subscribers. We have 24 products and they claim that the overall value is 550 euros. We're gonna check that at the end of this video. If you are new here, my name is Vasiliki. I'm a professional makeup artist and I'm posting videos about drugstore makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, and of course unboxing videos of advent calendars. So make sure to subscribe to get notified for all of my latest videos. This is one of the most beautiful designs for advent calendars that we have seen this year. This one is great for using again because we have these beautiful big drawers. Okay, oh my god, I took all of it out. So we don't have box number 1 here. Let's see on the 4th drawer. Oh, I found it. Okay, so box number 1 is this one. It is a little bit heavier. I love that. I'm gonna say a shower gel. This one here is the 3-in-1 moisturizer by Glossybox, and they have now also skincare. I have tried the eye cream as well and it's very nice. So this one here can plump, prime and protect your skin. We have 50 milliliters, so I'm guessing that this is a full size. We love full size products on this channel. This one is vegan and gluten free, and let's see the product. Ooh, that's gorgeous, very nice. I wish that we also had some SPF because it doesn't say something. Now let's see where box number 2 is. Okay, this unboxing is gonna take forever. Box number 2, I found it finally, and this is fully packed. I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna say a small face palette because we have the size. Oh my god! That looks like a palette. This one is by Luvia Cosmetics. It is in collaboration with Glossybox, and we have here a vegan eyebrow palette. I think this is the best way to have eyebrow products in an advent calendar. And let's see the beautiful palette. Ooh, that's pretty. You can also mix the brow shades together and find what works for you. I'm very happy that we have this product here. And let's find now drawer. Box number 3. This is fully packed as well, a little bit lighter, and I don't know, I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh, what is this? We have here the Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask by the brand Hey Honey, and with this one you can exfoliate your face to lift away impurities and drama, and this one is for all skin types. We have 12 milliliters. For a face mask, this is a very small product. Am I right? Okay, let's see where is box number 4. I think it is here, if I remember. Yes, that's noisy. And I'm gonna say a face primer. What do we have here? This one is the Highlighting Shimmer Whip in Champagne by the brand Mako Beauty. This one is very golden. Oh my god. It is beaming, and I think it is a little bit darker for my skin tone. As you can see, you don't really see the highlighting effect. This one is better for medium to darker complexions. This one contains 15 milliliters. As you have seen, you don't need a lot of product, so I'm guessing that this is a full-size product. And now let's find box number 5. Ta-da! This is lighter. Oops. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. We always have in advent calendars. Oh, it's not. This one is a lip liner by the brand Steve Laurent, and I'm not sure where is the name of the shade, so let's open the box. Give me my product. This one is in the shade Vogue, and as you can see, it is a full-size product. So let's see the color of it. Oh, no, give me the cup. It's So that's a very nice packaging. I like that it is matte. It can look amazing on anyone. I think it's gonna be a very long wearing lip pencil because as you can see it's not very spreadable. We want that for a lip pencil. This one is a very pretty shade. So day number 6 was somewhere here. This one is not very heavy. I'm gonna say setting powder. These are the SOS ampoule concentrates by the brand Babor. These are the Beauty Rescue ampoules and we have 7 of them. That's very nice that we have 7 and not just 1 like in the L'Oreal Beauty Advent Calendar. These are looking like glass ampoules. I cannot use them, so I'm gonna keep them for a giveaway. And now I think I have seen day number 7 here. This one is lighter, but it's a very big box. I'm gonna say again a sheet mask. Oh my god, I found it. 5 points to Gryffindor. I was watching yesterday Harry Potter. And okay, we don't have something else in this box. Let me know if you have a favorite Harry Potter movie. Mine is The Goblet of Fire. Oh, these are not sheet masks. These are for the eyes. So we have here the Hydro Boost 2-in-1. These are by the brand Neutrogena. I like keeping them in the fridge and then using products like these on my eyes. So let's find day number 8. I have no idea where it is. I'm gonna say a lipstick because it is very light. And this one here is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick by Fenty Beauty. And we have it in the shade Griselda. I think this is gonna be a full size. Let's see. Yes, it is a full size. I have tried this formula again, I think, but I have a red lipstick and it's very creamy on the lips. I don't want to touch it, to be honest, because it is so perfect. Oh my god, this color is glorious, and you can use it with the lip pencil that we got a few boxes before. This shade is amazing for winter makeup looks. And day number 9. So this one is fully packed and it feels like nothing, to be honest. I'm gonna say a mini mascara. Oh, we have a hair tie. It's very glamorous. This one is by the brand Purelay. This is feeling very luxurious. It is well made and I love the color. It goes very well with the advent calendar. Am I right? Okay, this is super pretty. It is very, very soft. It's not like in the Makeup Revolution advent calendar that we got again this type of hair tie. This one actually looks very well made. So let's find it now. Day number 10. I think it's here. Yes. Oh my god, this unboxing is super adventurous. Ooh, noisy. I'm gonna say a face toner. I think it's very thin, but I have no other ideas. Ooh, it's a brush. This one here is a stippling brush by Real Techniques. How can you open this? Give me the brush. Oh my god, found it. At the bottom part. So you know as well. Come to me. The bristles are super, super soft. Let me know if you have tried any other brushes by Real Techniques. And day number 11 is here. This is fully packed. I'm gonna say a face primer, a mini size. This is looking like a toothpaste. This is the Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream and the brand is Fix and Rouge. So you can actually use this as a primer. I'm curious to see if this one can actually blur something. And I applied a lot. It is almost scentless and it blurs a little bit my skin, but I don't have a lot of pores on my hand. So we're gonna check that in a video. That's a big one. I'm gonna say again a shower gel. Nope. This one here is the hair mask scalp treatment and also miracle shampoo. This one is pH balanced and it is by the brand Mad Maskai. We have 75 milliliters. This one can repair, strengthen and hydrate your hair. Also it moisturizes your scalp. I'm gonna try this today because my hair are super dry. And let's find day number 13. I'm gonna say a mini mascara. This one is the 3-in-1 Hyaluron Filler Collagen Eye Cream and it is by the brand Avant. I have tried some other products by this brand and they are not working for me. I think they have a lot of perfume. So this one is 10 milliliters. For an eye cream, that's not terrible. Number 14. is waiting for us somewhere. So I think this is the most fun advent calendar to unbox because of the drawers. It is a little bit difficult for me because I'm filming the unboxing, but I think you're gonna love it. And this is 14 here. It's very light. I'm gonna say deodorant. I think we never got the deodorant in an advent calendar, especially this year. And this one here, ooh, this is a mascara. And we have the volume and the length mascara by the brand Wonder Beauty. I have seen this brand again. I think they have lashes. We have 10 grams of product. And I'm guessing that this is a full size. It's a very glamorous packaging. I love it. Let's see how the applicator looks. Oh my god. It looks amazing. I can use it definitely because it is very thin. I'm gonna do a review of all the mascaras that I got in advent calendars and also the setting powders. So day number 15. I have no clue, so let's just open the box. Oh, this is by Illamasqua. Woohoo, bougie. This one is the liquid eyeliner in the shade black. It looks like a full size. I'm so surprised by this advent calendar. So far we have a lot of full-size products, and let's see the applicator. Oh, it's not my favorite. It looks like a marker, but I'm very curious to use it. Where are you, 16? Okay, it's here. 10,000 years later. That's very lightweight. I'm gonna say a pencil sharpener. I don't have any other ideas. Ooh, we have a lip mask by the brand Vita Mask, and this one is for plump and repair. It is made with multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Also, it is a vegan collagen booster with mulberries and wild cherries. It is super cute. I'm guessing it's gonna smell amazing. I'm gonna keep this for a staycation. And let's find now day number 17. I'm gonna say a sheet mask again. Oh no, that looks like a sample. We have here the original 8-hour cream by Elizabeth Arden. This one is a sample. We have 5 milliliters. It says apply liberally as often as necessary. Well, this is so small. We're gonna use it maybe 3 times. Day number 18. I'm gonna say a toothpaste. This one here is a dry shampoo by the brand Wella, and it is a dry shampoo. And let's see if it has a scent. It smells like the foam that they have. This one contains 65 milliliters. I'm back. And this one here is my favorite by Batiste. It is a full size and we have 200 milliliters. So this one here is a mini size. Day number 19. I'm gonna say a mini skincare product for the face. I'm wrong, and this one here is a matte liquid lip paint by Mellow Cosmetics. We have it in the shade Auckland. Let's see the applicator. It looks like a very beautiful shade for everyone. You can also use this one with the lip pencil that we got. And let's find box number 20. I'm gonna say a bronzer. And nope. It's not. And this one is a sheet mask with spilanthol and hyaluronic acid. It is the anti-wrinkle mask by the brand Beauty Glam. We never say no to anti-wrinkle products. And now, day number 21. This one is definitely a face toner. It is heavy, it is noisy, so let's find out. Oh my god, I found it! This one is by the brand Now Bay, natural and organic origin, and we have the gentle facial toner. I think I have seen this product again in a Look Fantastic box. This one is anti-aging and it contains raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts. That sounds amazing and delicious. So I want to go and check if I have it again. I'm back and I look very orange. I don't know why my camera is doing that. Water break. I found it and this is the new one. I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. As you can see, they have changed the cap. This is the old version. I think the reason is because it didn't feel so nice to open the cap. Box number 22. I'm guessing that we have a bronzer. Oh, it's not a bronzer. This one is the Lippy Love Lip Scrub by the brand Anti-Wrinkle Beauty. This one says step 1 prime, so I'm guessing that you can also find the step 2 or 3. Oh my god, I'm losing product. Hey, come back! Unfortunately, we have casualties. I need to be the makeup nurse and clean the edges. I'm very curious to see the texture and if it is smooth. It is very soft, and now I can feel the little grains. Day 23 is here. This is a little bit heavier. I would say a candle, but I think it's very thin. I have no clue. Let's see what it is. Ooh! It's a nail polish. I would have never guessed it. And this is by the brand Nails Ink. This one is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. And we have the nail polish in the shade Victoria. It is super dark and gorgeous. So I'm very curious to see the color. Oops, no. Why do we have an extra cup? Definitely, it's not very easy to hold it like this. I really like that they match the color of the nail polishes and the lipsticks together for this advent calendar. So let's see now day number 24. It's a very big box. Ooh, it's heavy. This one sounds like an eyeshadow palette. And let's see, it's huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? It says Iconic London, and this is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. It is super gorgeous. So let's see the beautiful colors. Ooh, they are huge. We have absolutely everything for a beautiful everyday look, night look. You can use these pink shades, the golden shades. This is such a beautiful palette. I love the color story. Let me know in the comments if you want to see specific eye looks with this palette. I'm back. It's rating time. The overall value of this one is 505 euros, and I really liked this advent calendar. I think it has a very nice variety. We have 3 single-use products, 1 mini and 1 sample, and for this reason I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars. I think this is one of the best ones that I have unboxed this year. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this one, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!